So I want to give you guys a room tour, and we are on the second deck, and we have a what is this called? An ocean view room. So let me give you guys the tour. Okay, so you walk through the doors. These are our closets. Oh, this one is way bigger. We should have put our bags in this one.
That's what we should have did, but we ain't gonna close the door.
So these are our closets. You know, they have the safety stuff up there. Okay. And let me just do a 360 real quick. That's the front door. And then this is what I was showing you guys, the closets on this side. Now, in this door is the bathroom. From the light. Where's the light?
Right down the door, outside.
Outside? Oh, that's right. It don't work.
You're pressing the wrong one.
Oh, okay. So, I'm sorry, y'all. It was just on. Now you turned it. Okay, it's on. Okay, I'm sorry, you guys. I've been drinking a little. So this is our bathroom.
Yes, no.
As you can see, here's our vanity sink. Here's our toilet, and here's our shower. I'm gonna step in for you guys. Just do a little 360. Okay, so that is the bathroom. Close the door back so you can see this is the front door again. Panning around, and this is the actual room. We have a little vanity here. Phone. These are the fun times. These let you know what's going on the cruise. Like, they have a lot of different activities. So this is like the little vanity. Here's a bottle of water.
$5 for it.
As you can see, $3.75.
Oh, $3.75.
So we won't be drinking that. Uh-oh. There's a little chair. In the mirror. Okay, walking this way. This is our window. This is our view. We're still docked.
What's up, bro?
As you can see.
Shit, man.
So,
boat, man. What's happening?
there's not really to see. There's the Princess Cruises.
Yeah.
So there's nothing really to see.
Got full out of there. I tried to FaceTime, but
This is the bed. King size bed.
Yeah, not. Yeah, I'm
And
trying
then-
to FaceTime.
We have a couch.
Yeah, but. Oh yeah, I ain't got no iPhone either, nigga. I can't afford it. You know, we poor hustlers, we Android over here.
So that was a view of the room.
Nah, you know, I can't afford it, man.
We have a security briefing at like 3 o'clock, and it's maybe like
Yeah,
2:30. So we're just in the room waiting on that. And it's actually raining outside today. But
yeah, I done drunk like 3
we were able to drink at eat at Guy's Burger Joint.
Yeah,
Drink at the
like
Blue
3
Iguana Cantina. I'm sorry. Blue Iguana Bar. So like I said, we're just waiting on
to the
the
table, so we got
security
2 of them.
briefing, and then after
And
that
then
we
I
will
got
be
the,
sailing off
margarita.
at 4. So I want you guys to stay tuned.
man,
We're gonna show you a lot
take
more.
the shirt off. You know what I'm
But stay tuned.
Shirt out.
Okay, YouTube. So we are on day 2 of our cruise. We just made it to Nassau, Bahamas, and it just looks beautiful. It's very humid, so our screen keeps fogging up. So that's why I keep looking at myself, because it's very humid and the lens keeps fogging up. But yeah, so we're about to go to the beach. I think it's called Janicool Beach. It's a free beach. And then we're probably just gonna chill out and see what today has for us. Let me give you our view. Excuse me if it keeps fogging up. There's Atlantis. That's the Atlantis back there. These are the docks, the port docks, where we'll get off and walk to Nassau.
I wouldn't mind staying there.
Yeah, I ain't gonna tell them who stay there. They got their own little private.
Yeah, I didn't really know what. The two ones, see one between the bushes too.
There's another little house right there. You take the picture?
Nah, I'm recording.
Oh.
You was in the recording too.
How long you gonna record them coming in?
Just a little bit more.
No, okay, hold that, stop.
Do your dance.
I ain't got nothing there.
Do the backpack kid.
I don't have to do.
Huh, let me show you. That's it. Stop it.
Boy. Okay, so this is gonna be a movie theater. So we are walking to Junkanoo Beach. It's a free beach, and they offer they might still do 4 beers and 4 shots for $10. So,
Oh, that's free no more?
huh?
They said, oh, that's free. Never mind.
Yeah, I'm saying they might still offer it. It's maybe like a 15-minute walk from the port, but they're doing a lot of construction around here trying to make it look a little better. It look like they're westernizing it.
Yeah, they get a lot of tourists out here.
Yeah, just because of the tourists. But I suppose.
No, I got it. Go ahead. Keep going.
Yeah, we just walking here. Put my bag on the other side of these streets. We're almost here. We're like 3 or 4 minutes away, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Take my shoes off. Take these socks off. But I put shoes on because I know it's gonna be a walk.
Yeah.
Like it's not like it's down the street. So that's why I did that. Was it your last time? I don't think it was. So we have now arrived. Let's get some drink.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is my dear old friend Venus.
What's happening, YouTube? Out here on the boat.
This is a prostitute. She is.
I am. Oh, you did not tell me you had such famous friends.
We're friends because I'm the only person that never asks any questions about
Out here on the Lido deck.
And he never judges me for being a terrible person.
Indeed you are, madame. Oh, please join me for a drink, yes?
You only have
Yeah, it's pretty empty now. Everybody at the captain ball and stuff. So
to business.
yeah, but we out here.
To stay on board his gorgeous train.
Yes, let me show you guys. So this is actually deck 10. This is deck 10, yeah. So there's a pool, there's a slide, of course there's plenty of seating as you can see. This is the movie night of Murder on the Orient Express.
I do not need to read the
Down here
Did someone cheat or die?
is the Lido deck. That's where you have your restaurants. There's one, but it's closed.
Someone else.
And then the guy's burger joint is over there. You kind of see the name of it,
Can you find me a cabin on the Orient?
but they're closed.
My friend, I may not be good for money, but I sure as hell can't get you back on my train in the dead of winter. 3 days free of care, concern, or crime.
You do it.
Your luggage has been collected and your expenses paid. You'll be met at Calais, escorted to Dover and then by rail to London Victoria. And I would like to formally express my...
Please don't speak. You make it possible.
Yeah. Yeah. So we walking in here on the boat. Recording myself. I'm gonna record when I get down there.
We share the good fortune.
That's why I had it out.
Nice things about us Americans, huh?
Yeah, I think I might get in the pool. Some good cold water.
The best team in the house.
Just answer the very best. Now I'm done.
But yeah, we out here, man. It's pretty empty right now. But yeah, they were all the restaurants and everything at. They're pretty close. You gonna do it?
Wait a minute. This is deck 9, the Lido deck. And this is guys burger joint. And they are closed also, but this is a blue iguana cantina.
You didn't see my pose though.
I seen it. Alright. So this is, where are we? This is deck 9. I'm sorry. So they have all the food. This is a sushi. Sushi for price. This is the buffet. I think the buffet is about over. I want to go to the, oh, we can't go back there?
Huh? You can pause and stop me,
Alright, so this is the Lido deck in the back of the ship. There's a pool, as you can see. There's 2 jacuzzis. There is a ice cream station over here.
That's a vibe. She wanna vibe. That's a vibe.